Hi, my name is Heather Campbell, and I'm really excited to be in this class. I am currently living in Cardston, Alberta with my husband and our three children. I play the French horn, and we are a pretty musical family. My husband plays the guitar, that's Doug right there, and there I am. I'm holding my trumpet, so I play the French horn and trumpet. My son Donald plays the saxophone. My daughter Taylor plays the French horn, and my youngest son Daniel wants to learn to play the clarinet, so that's why he's holding a clarinet there. So this is my family. My husband and I, Doug, we've been married for 16 years. We're coming up to our 17th year, and we're really excited that I'm so close to being done school. I have this semester, next semester, and then I graduate. I'm hoping to become an ESL teacher or a standard teacher working at the Hutterite colonies and that in this area so that I can work with other cultures, and so that's why I'm taking this class to learn how to work with other cultures and to be understanding of other cultures, and that's what I hope to get out of this class. And I love learning about other cultures anyway. So when I took the the test to find out what learning style I was, it came out abstract random, which I'm actually not really surprised about because I do a lot of reflecting in my thinking pattern. But it was a pretty big landslide. I scored a 52 in that one, where my other ones were concrete random was 16, um, abstract sequential was 20, and concrete sequential was 32. So I'm pretty random, I guess. I look forward to being in this class and to learning with everyone here and to getting to know you all better and to help build unity in the cultures around us. Thank you.